Have you ever felt like, somewhere out there, another version of you might exist? A version that made a different choice, took a different path, and is living an entirely different life right now. Maybe one tiny decision, saying yes instead of no, catching a different train, or texting someone you didn't, changed everything. What if that version of you is just as real, but living in a universe you can't see? Let's explore one of the most fascinating mysteries of existence, the theory of parallel universes. Imagine standing at a crossroads. To the left, one choice. To the right, another. Now imagine that. At the moment you decide, the universe splits. In one version, you turn left. In another, you turn right. Two realities, born at the same time. This idea comes from the many worlds theory, first proposed by physicist Hugh Everett. He believed that every quantum event, every tiny subatomic decision, creates new realities. Not just one universe, but infinite. Each as real as the one you're in now. Each with its own version of you, thinking they're the original. So, right now, as you watch this, there might be another version of you, doing something completely different. Maybe they never found this video. Maybe they're living a life you only dreamed of, as a musician, an astronaut, or an inventor. Every dream you ever let go of might be playing out somewhere else. This sounds like science fiction, but the clues might already exist, hidden in the quantum world. Particles, the tiniest building blocks of everything, sometimes act like waves. Sometimes they exist in two places at once. And when we observe them, they choose one position, as if observation itself forces reality to collapse. Some scientists believe this is proof that all possibilities are real. They just unfold in different universes. When you look, you only see one outcome. The others? They continue in their own timelines. Even the cosmos might hold secrets of other universes. Cosmologists studying background radiation, the faint echo of the Big Bang, have found patterns that don't quite fit our models of the universe. Some theorists suggest these could be collision marks, places where our universe brushed against another one. Imagine two soap bubbles in a vast cosmic sea, bumping, merging, then floating apart again. If that's true, it means universes aren't isolated. They might interact. And maybe those ripples leave faint fingerprints on our sky. Now imagine what those other universes could look like. In one, the dinosaurs never went extinct. An intelligent reptilian species ruled the planet. In another, World War II never happened, and technology took a completely different path. There could be an Earth where humans colonized Mars centuries ago, or one where humanity never existed at all. The multiverse could hold every version of history, every possibility ever imagined. Your happiest day, your worst mistake, your biggest dream, all playing out somewhere, simultaneously. But here's the strange part. If infinite universes exist, then there are infinite versions of you, each one making different choices, loving different people, facing different challenges. Yet every version believes they're the real one. So what makes you, you? Maybe it's not the choices themselves, but the awareness of having made them, the story you carry. And maybe that feeling of déjà vu, that strange sense that you've been here before, is your consciousness brushing against another version of yourself. A whisper from a world just one vibration away. If parallel universes are real, then reality isn't a single timeline. It's a web. Every decision, every possibility, branching endlessly like the roots of a cosmic tree. Some scientists even speculate that black holes could be gateways, funnels connecting one universe to another. Maybe when something disappears into one, it reappears somewhere else. In a universe born from the death of another. Birth and destruction, endlessly repeating. A multiversal heartbeat. So, what if parallel universes are real? Then reality isn't a single story, but an infinite library, with countless versions of you living out every possible outcome. And maybe, the version of you right now, watching this, thinking, wondering, is the one that finally realizes how limitless you truly are. Because somewhere out there, another you is watching this too, wondering if you exist. If this idea made you rethink life and reality, hit like, subscribe, and join me next time when we ask, what if we could travel faster than light?